You're doing church, but it feel heavy. You're doing life, but it feel heavy. Who's on the other side of your yoke? This is a yoke. A wooden object that straps two animals together that cannot be released without help. When one animal gets weak, the other animal bears it up. So if you're not yoked with Christ, there is somebody else in your yoke. It's not Jesus, it's the adversary. It's the devil you've been strapped to since you've been born, who keeps dragging you every direction but towards the kingdom. So Jesus says, break free from that yoke and take my yoke upon you. Learn from me. My yoke is and my burden is light. It is easier than the sin you're carrying. It is easier than the lies of the devil. You say, well, man, if I take on God's yoke, what about all the thou shalt nots and all the stuff he's going to ask me to do and all that other stuff? Let's go to an old elder, 1 John. By this we know that we love the children of God. When we love God and when we do what? Stop right there. His commandments is his yoke, salvation, his teachings, his ways, and his commandments are His commandments are only burdensome for people who's trying to carry a fake yoke, but you're not filled with the Spirit. So everything Christianity feels heavy because you don't have the Spirit of God. But once you have the Spirit, you have a desire. You wake up wanting to do what's right, so you feel bad when you do what's wrong.